This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to melt hard candy. First, gather your supplies, including a heat-safe bowl and your chosen hard candies. Breaking the candy into smaller, uniform pieces is crucial for even melting, whether you're using a microwave or a double boiler. This helps prevent scorching and ensures a smooth, consistent liquid. Remember, patience is key for achieving that perfect melted consistency, so let's get started with the methods. The double boiler method offers gentle, controlled heat, ideal for melting hard candy without burning. Start by placing your candy in a heat-proof bowl that fits snugly over a pot of simmering water, ensuring the bowl's bottom does not touch the water. Stir the candy frequently as it melts to distribute the heat evenly and prevent it from sticking. Keep the heat low and steady. A gentle simmer is all you need to achieve a beautifully smooth, melted candy. For a quicker approach, the microwave can be very effective. Place your hard candy in a microwave-safe bowl and heat it in short bursts, typically 30-second intervals, stirring thoroughly after each one. If your candy starts to thicken or harden too quickly, adding a few drops of water or vegetable oil can help restore a smooth consistency. For precise results, especially for specific projects, use a candy thermometer to ensure your melted candy reaches around 300 degrees Fahrenheit or the hard crack stage. Once your hard candy is perfectly melted, the creative possibilities are endless. You can pour it into silicone molds to create custom shapes for decorations or edible jewels. Drizzle the warm, liquid candy over ice cream, popcorn, or other desserts for a vibrant, sweet topping. You can also use it to make stained glass effects for cookies or other treats. Remember to check the description for links to molds, other great deals, and to stay hydrated anywhere with the Eau à la water bottle. Enjoy your delicious creations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.